In today's video, we're going to be walking through the options for setting the user capacity percent within Project Insight. In order to do this, you will need to have the capacity and resource allocation add-on installed. If you don't already, you can navigate to add-ons from home, go to get more add-ons, you can search up capacity, and you should see capacity and resource allocation under project portfolio reporting. So click it, click install, and then click configure. Now with this add-on, you'll have two options in setting the capacity percent for a given user. You can do it globally from the configuration page we see ourselves on, or you can edit individual user capacity percents. However, by default, the ability to edit individual user capacity limits is not available. To demonstrate this, I'll navigate to the settings of a user profile without having the option to edit individual capacity limits enabled. On the default editing page, you can see that there is no option to edit user capacity percent. However, if we go back to the add-on, we can check the option to allow individual resource capacity limits. Scroll to the bottom and click Save. And we can see that there are two new fields, the capacity percent field and the capacity percent max field. These fields will edit the specific capacity percent and capacity percent max for this specific user. For more information about the percent allocation default, capacity percent, and capacity percent max fields, feel free to check out our videos and Project Insight regarding each of those fields.